So today I'm going to be looking at the rear tailgate, and what I'm looking at is this here. So on the rear tailgate we've basically got two straps, one on the left and one on the right, and also on the right hand side you'll notice there's a small strut on there. You'll notice that wire there's quite tight and one on the left's quite slack, so got myself some new parts. You also notice these older struts, these are for the upper tailgate, which are here, basically held on. If I can just focus that a wee bit, these two small clips, both are the same, fairly straightforward. Pop that off and pop it off at the top, help somebody to hold, and fairly easy. These have made quite a bit of a difference. The tailgate goes up quite well. I'll try and get that. So, before that it was sticking halfway, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to change these two straps and the new strut that's there, the new gas strut, and we'll see what difference that makes. So you'll notice this one, this is a new one. It's basically got a screw and looks like probably about a 12 or 13mm nut which will go on here. But this one here has got a small ball on it, which is for obviously the gas strut to sit on that, which will be here like that. So it's different from the left hand side. So we'll try and take that old one off. You can see there's quite a bit of water in there, so it's not in the best condition. It's 13 as well. There we go. You see a bit of a rust on that, possibly stretched that rope. Like that wee ring. touch of grease in there. Hope that goes. We'll have to lift that up a wee fraction. Turn that round. This is the new strut. It's a genuine Land Rover part. That it's not that expensive. So I'm expecting that. It's got another wee touch of grease on that. More grease on that. I would suspect these would just pop in there. So there you go. Face it way, pop that in there. And that's it. That's that in. The rain's coming on now, so in there. There you go. And you'll see that one, how rusty that is. Obviously getting water in there. And this is the newer one. What I'm going to do is put a wee bit of grease round about there, maybe try and protect it a wee bit. Really get on that with it. Socket. There we go. It's quite surprising that, again, this one's still quite slack in comparison to the other one, so I maybe need to have a look at the alignment of the tailgate. There you have. You notice that one's a bit tighter than that. Yep, sitting and not flapping about anymore, and that's that. So that's the left holder, the right one, the strut, and the two upper struts as well have been done.